Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming model and dashboard version, so you pick the correct update file. Once done, connect the console to a stable network or plug in Ethernet to avoid interruptions. Make sure power won't cut out. If you prefer offline, format a 2 GB plus USB or burn a blank DVD and copy the official update files to the root directory. You're starting the process now. Do not skip file verification, because corrupted updates will fail during installation. You now run the actual update. For online updates, go to System Settings, choose Console Settings, then check for updates and accept the download. The console will restart automatically. For USB or DVD, insert the media, power cycle the Xbox 360, and follow on-screen instructions to apply the update from the root files. Make sure to watch the progress bar and do not interrupt power or eject media mid-install, because that can brick system files and require recovery. You finish by verifying the new dashboard version in System Info to confirm success. Once updated, test online features and reinstall any profile if required. Make sure saved games are intact. If the console fails to boot or shows errors, clear the system cache via Storage Device Clear System Cache and retry the update. If problems persist, create fresh USB/DVD media, use a wired connection, and retry. Contacting support is the last resort if hardware faults appear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.